everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have a high to low clothing haul.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So, I have a few things that I've accumulated over the past month and a half-ish, something like that. So I wanted to go ahead and go through them with you guys. I have one beauty product, two sweaters, some tops, and two new pairs of shoes. So let's just get into it. Let's just start off with the beauty product because I have one of those, but I got this right here. I was finally able to get my hands on this. This is the Item Beauty by, Addison Rae's brand, Item Beauty, and this is the Lip Quip and the shade Come Through. Apparently these are like super viral. They're sold out everywhere. The only reason I was able to get this is because I had like a notification thing turned on at Sephora for when this came back in stock for it to notify me, and it did come back in stock and I ordered it immediately. So I'm not necessarily a fan of Addison Rae. I think that, she's very young. She's doing great for herself. I don't not like her. She's doing a very good job. But I really wanted to try this lip oil because that's what it is. It's a lip oil and people are just raving about this lip oil, saying it's like the best lip oil around. I will say I do like it quite a lot. I have been using it. I like it around the same as the Rare Beauty lip gloss. Yeah, I did pick this up. Got my hands on it. I got this. I've been, okay, listen, I know that I normally wear like a lot of like neutral tones and stuff, but I do love a color sometimes. In this haul, there's actually quite a bit of color, so I'm very happy with that. I do have this top from SKIMS. This is a t-shirt bodysuit, and it is one of their new summer colors, and I was between this and their beautiful blue color, but I was like, oh, I have a blue bodysuit that looks very similar to that blue, so let me try the purple. And this is the color purple that I really like. If you know the purple color that was in the SKIMS X Fendi bodysuit, that was kind of like a purpley pink, I don't like that color. I like purple. I do not like a red purple or a pink purple. I like a purple. She's so freaking cute. I got this in a size small. Yep, and she's very tight, but I don't mind it, and the feeling is just fantastic. It's like soft touch, and the strap down here, I have already worn this, the little vajayjay strap, if you will, stays closed, which I very much appreciate. Next up, I have this top from the Frankie shop. I said before that I did not think that the Frankie shop suited me because everything is so oversized. This right here, I got in a size, is it one size? It might be one size, but it's not massive. Even on the website, I thought that it was going to be huge, but it's not. It is a little bit oversized. It is sheer. As you can see this, it's a nice sheer fabric, and I love a sheer fabric top. I've been trying to find one, but I thought that it was going to be massive, but it's not. It's very cute. It does feel very nice, and I just wear, like, of course, a tank top underneath it or just like a bralette underneath it, and it just looks very put together and nice. I like it. I think it's really nice. And yeah, I got this from Frankie shop, and this is the first thing from the Frankie shop that I haven't returned because it's not super duper oversized. I got another button down, and this one is one of my favorites. I'm obsessed with this. So it is this beautiful, is this silk or satin? I'm not 100% sure what it's made out of, but it's really nice. And it's this like buttercup butter yellow button down. And I actually got this and one other piece here. I got this from the Rachel Martino drop, the drop on Amazon, and I do follow her on Instagram, and I do like her content. I think that I like her style. It's very colorful, very girly. I'm not usually someone that likes too much color like that. Like, she'll come out here and rock a full bright pink head to toe outfit, and I'm like, I don't know about that for me personally, but it suits her very well. But she did do a collection with Amazon, the drop. And in my mind, I was like, okay, well, these are probably going to be kind of like cheaper items. They may not have that great of quality because I have gotten clothes from Amazon in the past and they were like subpar. They were like, okay, they're not amazing, wonderful or anything like that, but they're not horrible. They're just like kind of like ASOS, you know, if you've ever shopped there, but no, this quality is insane. It's very, very good, very thick material. I have already tried this on. I haven't worn it out yet, but it's very nice. I really, really like this, and with like a pair of shorts. I know we're getting into like more fall time now, but I will be wearing this next summer, and I will wear it up until probably September. I want to wear it out one day, but it's very, very pretty. I really do like it, and I did get one more thing from the drop from Rach Martino. Look at the little buttons. The little buttons, they're hearts. They're little hearts. Oh my god, how cute is that? And it fits very nicely. I got a size small in this. And the other thing I got from the drop is this insane blazer. I wanted a fun colored blazer. I have a black one. I don't have a white one or anything, but I wanted a fun colored blazer. My mom would be obsessed with this. I think that she's probably gonna want to borrow this as well. And I'm normally not a pink person. I don't love the color pink. I don't hate it or dislike it. I'm just more of a very like neutral towards the color pink, like very meh. But this color I really quite like. It's very hot pink and it has the one button detailing right here. And again, I got this in a size small. I was again expecting this to be kind of ill-fitting because I have tried other Amazon blazers and they're either like too big in the waist, or they're not long enough, or they're just kind of all over the place. This really does fit very, very nicely. Like, I'm genuinely surprised at the quality with this drop here, but I am, you know, very happily surprised. I mean, even these little buttons have little hearts, but they're pink hearts. Look how cute. And then again, I got it in a size small, and I want to say everything was under $100, I think. So I want to say this was maybe like a 90 something. The button down was like 60 something. This was the most expensive item, I think, except for like maybe the pants or something. They had matching pants, but I didn't get those. But like this right here with like these jeans that I have on and like a white tank top or something would look very nice. Or like a white top underneath, not a blouse because I'm not really a blouse person, but like a white top underneath would look really, really nice. So I love the back as well. The back has like button detailing. It's very cute. So I'm very into this, and I am very glad that I have it. Congrats to Rach. She's not watching this, but just in general, congrats to her, because I do think a lot of her stuff sold out, and I think that she did a very good job on this drop. So yeah, now I have some sweaters. It's not a Kenzie haul if you don't have at least one sweater. Now I don't have totem sweaters. I am kind of like slowing down on buying them because I'm not finding any more that I really love. There is one that I really want and I cannot find it. I don't think it's made anymore. Everyone else has it except for me. And it's always sold out on Farfetch, and I don't think they're getting more back in stock. But if they ever do, I'm gonna buy it. First things first, I got this sweater right here. It's just a very simple, oversized black crew neck, and it says Maru on it, which is coffee. It's a coffee brand, and I think that they are in New York. LA, just kidding, not New York, but they have one in LA. And I mostly got this because I really wanted a black crew neck, and this one looked very promising because I wanted one specifically from the brand Museum of Peace and Quiet. So they collaborated with Maru, the coffee company, and they made this, and on the back it's got some fun stuff on it there. And I really, really love this crew neck, you guys. This is probably the best quality crew neck that I own, except for maybe this other one. This one and this other one is probably on par, but it is so incredibly soft on the inside. Like, it is like full on felt, if you can see that on the inside. It is so comfortable. Like, one thing that I can't stand is like when you have a nice hoodie or crew neck and it's so great and soft and nice on the outside, but the inside has like no lining and it's just fabric. It's not soft or fluffy or anything. It's just like scratchy or whatever. I don't like that, but that one is amazing. I love it. And then the next one I have here is from Mad Happy. Have I already shown this? I don't think that I've shown this. I think I talked about it, but I did get a Mad Happy sweater, and I got this one from their new It's like their summer drop. I know they have come out with a couple of other collections since then, maybe one other, but this one right here is like their outdoorsy, like hiking summer drop. I don't know, but I loved the design. I really, really liked it. It's like this really beautiful off-white ivory color, and then it says the local optimist group right here, and then it has a little M on the front that looks like mountains and a little sunset and clouds. It's so comfy and amazing and lovely. I got both of these sweaters in a size large, and this one also is like super cozy and soft on the inside. I love it. So yeah, very, very into this. I just collect sweaters like I collect handbags, and I'm not mad about it. All right, so those are all the clothes. Let me go ahead and do the 2 shoe items that I have. I got a new pair of sneakers. These are my first ever white Balance, New Balance sneakers, and here's what they look like. They're called Mindful Gray with Surf. I don't know what that means, but these are a men's 7? Yeah, a men's 7, and I believe it's like a women's 8.5, something like that. So yeah, these are what they look like. They are so freaking comfortable. Look at the, look at that. I've never had sneakers that have like funky designs or anything. Like I have my Tory Burch sneakers and the Celine sneakers, but they, you know, they're pretty tame when it comes to like the design and how they look, but these ones just look so dope. Like even the bottoms, I haven't really worn these outside yet, so I can show you the bottom, but the bottom even looks really cool. And then it has like, it's relatively really neutral, but it has like pops of gray and blue, but it's not like super vibrant. It's like a grayish blue, but overall they're pretty neutral, but they look so nice. And then if you saw me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, because I've already showed pretty much all of this on Instagram. I got a new pair of UGG slippers. And the reason why is because the other ones that I had, like the ultra mini boots that I ordered, they were defective. They like came apart like within the first 2 weeks that I had them. Like the stitching came apart. I thought that one of my dogs had bit it and ripped it open, but my mom looked at it and she said, no, the dogs didn't do this, because it was just like a perfect clean line on the side where the stitching was, and it was like a clean like, and it just came apart. Sent those back and got refunded, and then I picked these up. These ones I got from Amazon, and they are I don't know the name of the brand. Well, they're from UGGs, but I don't know the name of them. They're like, they start with a C, but they're just like little actual slippers. And I do like these a lot too. I loved my other ones, and I might want to get those again in the future, but these ones right here are so freaking adorable. They do have, you know, nice rubber bottoms, so you can wear them outside. Again, I haven't worn these outside, so I can show you the bottom. And yeah, they just look very nice. They're gonna be amazing for the fall and winter time. I can imagine me on like Christmas Day or something rocking these. I'm so excited for Christmas, you have no idea. So yeah, I got a pair of these, and they're very, very comfy, and I love them a lot. You guys, that has been my haul, high to low haul, and I really hope that you did enjoy it. Let me know in the comments of which was your favorite piece that I showed from this haul. Let me know if you have any of these things as well. Let me know if you got anything from the Rach Martino drop. Let me know if you have any New Balances or Uggs or whatever. Just leave me a comment telling me anything. I'd love to know that, because I'm very nosy. But you guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!